Hi, my name is Julius Santiago. I'm your host for this channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to create playlist on YouTube. So without further ado, let's begin. So now I'm in youtube.com. Once you are here, you access your channel, in this case mine. So once you are in your channel, you click manage videos. Let's wait for a while it's loading. So you will be redirected in this page. Once you are in this page, you click playlist. And on the upper right, click new playlist and name your playlist. For example, I'll use Facebook tutorial and click create. There you go. You have learned how to create playlist in YouTube. I hope that you will learn something, and if you like to subscribe, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. Thank you, bye bye, and talk to you soon.